Sell the experience, not the product. I repeat, sell the experience, not the product. My name is Swati Reddy Amaram and I'm a student of Dhruva College of Management, Hyderabad. Let's talk about something iconic as the Parker pen. Let's talk about why Parker pen is more than just a writing instrument. It's a statement, a legacy, and a reliable partner in your journey of expression. Imagine this. You are in an important meeting or maybe even signing a life-changing contract. And in that moment, you reach for a pen. What pen are you holding? You want something that doesn't just look good but feels right, represents your professionalism and speaks to the quality of your work. That's where Parker comes in. Founded in 1888, Parker has over a century of experience in making pens with unrivaled craftsmanship. Each pen is built with precision, using premium materials and designed to make every word you write feel smooth and flawless. Whether you're writing a quick note or signing an important document, a Parker pen doesn't just get the job done, it does so with elegance and ease. Now, let's talk about the quality and durability. Parker pens are renowned for their durability. Their iconic designs are built to last, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. Unlike disposable pens that run out quickly or lose their effectiveness, Parker pens maintain their quality over years. It's a pen you invest in once, but use many times over. And let's face, there's something incredibly satisfying about having a pen that you know won't fail in the worst possible time. But Parker pen is more than just a reliable tool. It's a status symbol. It's something that people notice, whether in the boardroom, the classroom, or even just at home. It tells the world that you pay attention to detail, that you value quality, and that you understand the importance of small things and add up to make a big difference. Let's not forget how customizable Parker pens are. From different finishes, including sleek stainless steel and elegant gold trim, to designs that are both modern and classic. There's a Parker pen for every taste and occasion. And if you are looking for a memorable gift, something personalized like a Parker pen with initials or a special engraving makes for a timeless keepsake. Parker is also known for its smooth ink technology. Writing with one of these pens isn't just putting words on paper. It's an experience. The ink flows consistently with no bloats or skips, making it ideal for people who write a lot, students, business professionals, or anyone who values precision in their writing. In the world where increasingly moving to digital everything, having a Parker pen is a reminder of the value of tangible, personal interactions. A handwritten note with Parker has a warmth and authenticity that no small text message can match. So whether you're looking for a reliable writing companion, a luxury gift, or simply want to upgrade the quality of your writing, a Parker pen is the perfect choice. Remember, it's not just a pen. It's an experience, a commitment to quality, and a mark of distinction. Thank you, Swati, for you.